Clark County, Ohio. Clark County is a county located in the west-central portion of the U.S. state of Ohio. As of the 2020 census, the population was 136,001. Its county seat is Springfield. The county was created on March 1, 1818, and was named for General George V. Clark, a hero of the American Revolution. Clark County comprises the Springfield-OH Metropolitan Statistical Area, which is also included in the Dayton-Springfield-Sidney-OH Combined Statistical Area. Geography. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, the county has a total area of 403 square miles 1040 km2, of which 397 square miles 1030 km2 is land and 5.1 square miles 13 km2 1.3% is water. It is the third smallest county in Ohio by total area. Adjacent counties: Champaign County North, Madison County East, Greene County South, Montgomery County Southwest, Miami County West, County West. Demographics. 2000 census. As of the census of 2000, there were 144,742 people, 56,648 households, and 39,370 families living in the county. The population density was 362 people per square mile 140/km2. There were 61,056 housing units at an average density of 153 per square mile 59/km2. The racial makeup of the county was 88.12% white, 8.95% Black or African American, 0.28% Native American, 0.53% Asian, 0.2% Pacific Islander, 0.53% from other races, and 1.58% from two or more races. 1.17% of the population were Hispanic or Latino of any race. 23.8% were of German, 21.6% American. There were 56,648 households, out of which 31.40% had children under the age of 18 living with them. 52.60% were married couples living together. 12.80% had a female householder with no husband present, and 30.50% were non-families. 26.0% of all households were made up of individuals, and 11.10% had someone living alone who was 65 years of age or older. The average household size was 2.49, and the average family size was 2.97. In the county, the population was spread out, with 25.10% under the age of 18, 9.10% from 18 to 24, 26.80% from 25 to 44, 24.30% from 45 to 64, and 14.70% who were 65 years of age or older. The median age was 38 years. For every 100 females, there were 92.50 males. For every 100 females aged 18 and over, there were 88.60 males. The median income for a household in the county was $40,340, and the median income for a family was $48,259. Males had a median income of $37,157 versus $24,688 for females. The per capita income for the county was $19,501. About 7.90% of families and 10.70% of the population were below the poverty line, including 14.90% of those under age 18 and 8.20% of those aged 65 or over. 2010 census. As of the 2010 United States Census, there were 138,333 people, 55,244 households, and 36,906 families living in the county. The population density was 348.0 inhabitants per square mile, 134.4/km2. There were 61,419 housing units at an average density of 154.5 per square mile, 59.7/km2. The racial makeup of the county was 86.3% white, 8.8% Black or African American, 0.6% Asian, 0.3% American Indian, 1.4% from other races, and 2.5% from two or more races. Those of Hispanic or Latino origin made up 2.8% of the population. In terms of ancestry, 25.3% were German, 15.0% were Irish, 13.8% were American, and 10.5% were English. Of the 55,244 households, 31.1% had children under the age of 18 living with them, 47.5% were married couples living together, 14.1% had a female householder with no husband present, 33.2% were non-families, and 27.7%. The average household size was 2.45 and the average family size was 2.96. The median age was 40.5 years. The median income for a household in the county was $44,141, and the median income for a family was $53,678. Males had a median income of $43,209 versus $30,811 for females. The per capita income for the county was $22,110. About 11.1% of families and 15.9% of the population were below the poverty line, including 24.5% of those under age 18 and 7.4% of those age 65 or over. Metropolitan Statistical Area. The Springfield Metropolitan Area was first defined in 1950. Then known as the Springfield Standard Metropolitan Area Springfield SMA, it consisted of a single county clerk and had a population of 111,661. Following a term change by the Bureau of the Budget, present-day Office of Management and Budget, in 1959, the Springfield SMA became the Springfield Standard Metropolitan Statistical Area Springfield SMSA. By the census of 1960, the population had grown to 131,440, an 18% increase over the previous census. Champaign County was added to the Springfield SMSA in 1973. The two-county area had a combined population of 187,606 in 1970. In 1983, the official name was shortened to the Springfield Metropolitan Statistical Area Springfield MSA. That same year, Dayton and Springfield were grouped together as the Dayton-Springfield Metropolitan Statistical Area. The new MSA consisted of four counties: Clark, Greene, Miami, and Montgomery. This arrangement remained unchanged until 2003, when the MSA was split with Springfield's newly defined metropolitan area, including only Clark County. Politics, 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 politics. Clark County has voted Republican in every presidential election since 2004, with Donald Trump receiving 57% of the vote in 2016, a deviation from the usual tight results in the county. In 2012, Mitt Romney won the county, but by only 523 votes out of 64,301 cast for president. County Commissioners Rick Lones R., Melanie Flax Wilt R., and Lowell McLaughlin R., Sheriff Deb Burchett R., Recorder Nancy Pence R., Treasurer Stephen Metzger D., Auditor John Federer R., Prosecuting Attorney Dan Driscoll R., Coroner Richard Marsh MD DD, Marsh MD DD, Judicial, Municipal Court, Clerk of Courts Guy Ferguson D., Judges Denise Moody R., Stephen A. Shoemaker R., Thomas Tremp D., Common Pleas Court, Clerk of Courts Melissa Tuttle R. General Division Judges Douglas Rastetter R. and Richard O'Neill D. Neil D. Neil D. Neil D. Neil D. Neil D. Domestic Relations Judge Thomas Capper R. Juvenile Court Judge Joseph Manin D. Manin D. Probate Judge Richard Carey R. Education Public School Districts Clark-Shawnee Local School District, Shawnee High School, Springfield the Braves, Greenon Local School District, Greenon High School, Springfield the Knights, Northeastern Local School District, Kenton Ridge High School, Springfield the Cougars, Northeastern High School, Springfield the Jets, Northwestern Local School District, Northwestern High School, Springfield the Warriors, 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 there's Warriors, the Warriors, the Warriors, there's Warriors, there's Warriors, there's Warriors, the Warriors, there's Warriors, the Warriors, the Warriors, there's Warriors, the Warriors, there's a war. Southeastern Local Schools, Southeastern High School, South Charleston, the Trojans, Springfield City School District, Springfield High School, the Wildcats, Wildcats, cats, 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 cats. Tecumseh Local School District, Tecumseh High School, New Carlisle the Arrows. Colleges and universities. Clark State Community College, Clark State Community College, Springfield the Eagles. Wittenberg University, Wittenberg University, Springfield the Tigers, the Tigers. Communities. Cities. New Carlisle, Springfield County Seat. Villages. Townships. Census-designated places, places. Crystal Lakes, lakes. Green Meadows, Holiday Valley, Northridge, Park Lane. Unincorporated communities.